Tonight, on the Twilight Zone, two men walk into a bar. Something happens, and then come out. I don't know, I can't record. This is very
Go back to... Holy crap, it can pick me up!
Can you hear my footsteps? That's trippy.
It's all because of Skype.
Skype. I am the computer. No. The computer, hear me. I will insert a virus into your floppy disk and infect your entire house. It will then explode into flames and set fire to all of your blankets, just like Hannah did. It will be very lol, and I will laugh out loud for many millennia to come. Yes, do it, faggot. Do it. Give me your blankets so that time I burn them. Give them to me.